Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to trade with Webull Easy Method. Open the Webull app, verify your identity, fund your account, and create a watch list before placing your first trade. Start by choosing a ticker, setting order type, and deciding quantity and limit price. Use small position sizes for practice and enable paper trading if you prefer risk-free testing. Monitor orders and adjust entries calmly as you learn. I walk through market, limit, and stop orders so you can place trades with confidence. Learn when to use market orders for quick fills, limit orders to control price, and stop orders to manage risk. Add indicators like moving averages and RSI to spot trends, and use the Level 2 feed for liquidity insight. Practice setting alerts and use the paper trading mode to refine your strategy without real losses. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof containers make meal prep simple and keep snacks tidy for long trading sessions. They seal reliably and stack neatly. Seriously. On another note, I love how they cut cleanup time so you can focus on charts. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Focus on risk per trade and position sizing to protect your capital. Set a fixed percent risk like 1% per position and calculate size based on stop distance and account value. Use stop losses, trailing stops, and diversify across sectors to avoid correlated losses. Keep a trading journal noting entry, exit, emotions, and lessons to improve. Review monthly performance and adjust risk rules as your experience grows. Stay patient and disciplined.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.